Hey guys, it's Ian with Full Throttle Battery. We're going to be talking about battery upgrades for your UTV. With these UTVs, one of the first steps that people do is they start upgrading features. Very quickly, you can overwhelm the power capacity of your stock stator. That's where Full Throttle Battery comes into play. This battery right here, the FT560, is more than double the capacity of the stock battery. So this is a thin plate pure lead AGM battery. It has enough power to start a Cummins diesel, much less a 900cc turbo. But the most underrated feature of this battery is its reserve capacity. At 44 amp hour, this is more than 2 times more capacity than the stock battery. The most important thing to keep in mind with stored electrical energy, what you take out, you have to put back in, and the stock stator on these machines is not adequate enough to keep your battery charged, and that is of any battery chemistry. This battery here comes with brass terminals, but it's technically what's called an M8 button post. You can use it as a threaded, you can use it as an automotive, or you can mount it flush to the battery. So any sort of mounting option that you might have on your machine, this thing has covered. I highly recommend the FT560 in all UTV aftermarket applications. 560 cold cranking amps. Start your adventure with a Full Throttle battery.